Fast food counter.
Excuse me, can I order?
Yes, you can. What would you like to order?
I need something simple.
Okay, we have burgers, chicken sandwiches, fries, salads, and drinks.
What do most people order for lunch?
The chicken sandwich meal is popular. It comes with fries and a drink.
That sounds good. Is the chicken spicy?
A little, but we can make it mild if you prefer.
Mild, please. I do not want anything too spicy today.
Sure. Would you like regular fries or sweet potato fries?
Regular fries, please. Are they hot and fresh?
Yes, we make a new batch every few minutes.
Great. For the drink, can I have iced tea?
Of course, small, medium, or large.
Medium is fine.
Would you like lemon in the iced tea?
Yes, please. Just one slice.
Anything else with your meal?
Maybe a small cookie? What kind do you have?
We have chocolate chip and oatmeal.
Chocolate chip, please.
All right. One mild chicken sandwich meal, regular fries, medium iced tea with lemon, and one chocolate chip cookie.
Yes, that is correct.
Your total is $8.90.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card here.
Done. Do I wait here?
Please wait near the pickup counter. Your number is 50.
Perfect. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Your food will be ready in about 5 minutes.
Can I sit near the window after I pick it up?
Yes, any open table is fine.
Great. I will wait over there.
Enjoy your meal.
Movie night plan.
Tom, do you still want to watch a movie tonight?
Yes, I do. I finished my work early, so I am free.
Great. I checked the movie times. There is a comedy at 7 and an adventure movie at 8.
I like both, but maybe the comedy is better for tonight.
I agree. I want something light and fun.
Where is it playing?
At the small theater near the mall.
That theater is comfortable, the seats are soft.
Yes, and it is not too loud.
Should we buy tickets online?
I think so. The theater can get busy on Friday nights.
Good idea. Which seats are available?
Let me check. There are 2 seats in the middle row.
That sounds perfect. Not too close and not too far.
Exactly. Do you want popcorn?
Of course. A movie night without popcorn feels strange.
Small or large?
Maybe one large popcorn to share.
Good. And what about drinks?
I will have water. I do not want soda tonight.
I will get lemonade.
What time should we meet?
The movie starts at 8, so maybe 7:30.
That gives us time to buy snacks.
Yes, and we will not feel rushed.
Should I bring a jacket? The theater is sometimes cold.
That's smart. I will bring one too.
Should we invite anyone else?
Not tonight. A quiet movie night sounds better.
I agree. We can talk about the movie after it ends.
Yes, maybe over tea.
I am excited now. I really need a relaxing evening.
Same here. Let's make it a simple and fun movie night.
Deal. See you at 7:30.
See you then.
English homework help.
Emma, can I ask you something about our English homework?
Sure. Which part is difficult?
The exercise with daily routines. I understand the words, but I am not sure about the sentences.
Let's look at it together. What is the first sentence?
It says, I usually gets up at 7. I think something is wrong
Yes, good eye. It should be, I usually get up at 7.
because I uses get, not gets, right?
Exactly. We use gets with he, she, or it.
Okay, the next one says, she go to work by bus.
That should be, she goes to work by bus.
I see. So with she, I add s.
Yes. For many verbs, We add s in the simple present.
What about questions? This part is confusing.
Read one question.
Do she study English every day?
The correct question is, does she study English every day?
Then the verb stays study, not studies.
Right. After does, the main verb is simple.
That helps a lot.
Try making one sentence about yourself.
I study English after dinner.
Good. Now make a question.
Do I study English after dinner?
Grammatically, yes, but it sounds like you are asking yourself.
True. Maybe. Do you study English after dinner?
Much better.
Thank you. I feel less nervous now.
You're doing well. Just read slowly and check the subject.
Subject first, then verb. I can remember that.
Exactly. Also check small words like usually, often, and sometimes.
They show how often something happens, right?
Yes, they make the sentence clearer.
Good. I will underline them in my notebook.
Exactly. Let's finish the last 5 together.
Bank account questions.
Excuse me, I have some questions about opening a bank account.
Of course, I can help you with that. Is this your first account with our bank?
Yes, it is. I moved to this area last week.
Welcome. We have a basic account for daily use.
What can I do with a basic account?
You can receive money, pay bills, use a debit card, and withdraw cash.
That sounds useful. Is there a monthly fee?
There is no monthly fee if you use online statements.
Online statements are fine for me.
Great. Do you have an ID with you?
Yes, I have my passport.
Thank you. Do you also have proof of address?
I have a rental agreement on my phone. Is that okay?
Yes, a digital copy is usually accepted.
Good. How long does it take to open the account?
About 15 to 20 minutes.
Will I get the debit card today?
We can give you a temporary card today. The regular card arrives by mail,
How many days does that usually take?
usually 5 to 7 business days.
Can I use mobile banking right away?
Yes. After we create your account, I will help you set it up.
That would be helpful. I am not very good with banking apps.
Don't worry. I will explain it step by step.
Thank you. I like simple instructions.
Then this account should work well for you.
Great. What should I do first?
Please fill out this short form and I will check your documents.
Okay, I will start now.
Take your time.
Morning jog.
Tom, you made it to the park early today.
I know I surprised myself this morning.
Did you sleep well?
Not perfectly, but I wanted to run before work.
That's a good plan. The air feels fresh today.
Yes, and the path is not crowded yet.
Let's start slowly. We do not need to run fast.
Thank you. I need a slow start.
How are your legs feeling?
A little heavy, but I think I will be okay.
We can jog to the fountain and then walk for 1 minute.
That sounds fair.
Remember to breathe slowly.
I always forget when I get tired.
In through your nose, out through your mouth.
Like this?
Yes, much better.
I can hear birds today. It feels peaceful.
Morning runs are good for the mind, not just the body.
I agree. I feel awake now.
There is the fountain. Do you want to slow down?
Yes, let's walk for a moment.
You did well. Your pace was steady.
Thanks. I thought I would stop earlier.
You are stronger than you think.
That is nice to hear.
After this, we can jog back to the gate.
Okay, but no race.
No race, just an easy jog.
Good. I want this to become a habit.
Then let's keep it simple and come again tomorrow.
Should we stretch before we leave?
Yes, just 2 minutes. It helps your muscles relax.
Good idea. My legs need that.
Mine too.
Same time?
Same time?
Running into an old friend.
Emma, is that really you?
Tom? Wow, I did not expect to see you here.
I know it has been such a long time.
I think the last time was at our old language class.
Yes, maybe 2 years ago.
You look great. How have you been?
Pretty good. Busy with work, but good. How about you?
I am doing well. I started a new job downtown.
That's wonderful. Do you like it?
Yes, the team is friendly and the office is close to this street.
That explains why you are here.
Exactly. I usually buy coffee nearby after work.
I was just walking to the bookstore.
Still reading a lot?
Yes, but slowly. I buy more books than I finish.
That sounds like you.
And you? Are you still studying English?
Yes, a little every day. I watch short videos and write new words.
I recommend the Learn English with Daniel channel to you.
Oh, you know this channel too?
Yes, it has really helped my English improve easily.
Do you still have our old class notebook?
Actually, yes, it is in my desk at home.
Really? That notebook had so many useful phrases.
It did. Maybe we should study together again sometime.
I would like that. We can meet at a cafe next week.
Great idea. Let me give you my new phone number.
Sure, I will save it now.
Here it is.
Got it! I am really happy we met today.
Me too. This was a nice surprise.
See you soon, old friend.
See you soon.
Doctor appointment.
Hello, I have an appointment with Dr. Green at 10:30.
Good morning. May I have your name, please?
My name is Tom Harris.
Thank you, Mr. Harris. Let me check the schedule.
Sure.
Yes, I see your appointment here. You are a little early.
Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. Please have a seat after you check in.
Thank you. Do I need to fill out a form?
Yes, just this short health form.
What kind of information do you need?
Your address, phone number, current medicine, and any allergies.
I do not take any medicine, and I do not have allergies.
Good. Please write that on the form.
Okay, I came because I have a sore throat.
I am sorry to hear that. How long have you had it?
Since yesterday morning,
Do you also have a fever?
a small one last night, but not now.
I will note that for the doctor.
Thank you. Will the wait be long?
Maybe 10 minutes. The doctor is with another patient.
That's no problem.
Here is a thermometer. Please place it under your tongue for a moment.
Okay,
Thank you. Your temperature looks normal now.
that's good news.
Please sit near the blue door. The nurse will call you soon.
All right, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Concert ticket line.
Hi, is this where I can buy concert tickets?
Yes, this is the ticket window for tonight's concert.
Great. Are there still tickets available?
Yes, but only a few seats are left.
Oh, I am lucky then. What time does the concert start?
It starts at 8 o'clock. The doors open at 7:15.
Good. I have enough time.
How many tickets would you like?
Just one ticket, please.
We have balcony seats and back floor seats.
Which one has a better view?
The balcony has a clear view, but it is higher.
Is it too far from the stage?
Not too far. Many people like the balcony because they can see the whole stage.
That sounds good. I will take one balcony ticket.
Sure, seat a 12 is available.
A 12 is easy to remember.
The price is $30.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please insert your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Here is your ticket and receipt.
Thanks. Which door should I use?
Use door 3 on the right side of the building.
Is there a security check?
Yes. Please do not bring large bags.
I only have a small backpack.
That should be fine.
Can I take photos during the concert?
Photos are allowed without flash, but video is not allowed.
Good to know.
Enjoy the concert.
Thank you. I am excited.
Have a wonderful evening.
Sending a package.
Excuse me, I need to send this package to my brother.
I can help you. Is it going inside the country or overseas?
Inside the country. He lives in Lake City.
All right. Is the address written clearly on the box?
I wrote it here, but can you check it?
Sure. The street name and house number are clear. Please add the postal code here.
Oh, I forgot that. I have it on my phone.
No problem. You can write it in this space.
Done. Is the box strong enough?
Let me see. Yes, it looks fine, but I will add a little tape.
Thank you. There is a book and a sweater inside.
Nothing breakable?
No, nothing breakable.
Would you like standard delivery or express delivery?
What is the difference?
Standard takes 3 to 5 days. Express usually arrives tomorrow.
Standard is okay. It is not urgent.
Do you want a tracking number?
Yes, please. I want to know when it arrives.
Of course, let me weigh the package.
Is it heavy?
Not too heavy. It is just under 2 kilos.
How much is shipping?
It is $9 with tracking.
That is fine. Can I pay with cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and tracking number.
Great. Should I keep this paper?
Yes, keep it until your brother receives the package.
Can I check the tracking number online tonight?
Yes, but it may appear after a few hours.
That makes sense. I will check it later.
Good.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Zoo map.
Excuse me, I just entered the zoo and I need a map.
Of course. Here is today's zoo map.
Thank you. This place is bigger than I expected.
Yes, many visitors say that. Are you looking for any animals first?
I really want to see the elephants.
The elephant area is on the left side near the small lake.
Is it far from here?
About 10 minutes on foot.
That is fine. Are there signs on the path?
Yes. Follow the blue signs that say elephants and giraffes.
Great. What time is the feeding show?
The elephant feeding is at 11:30.
It is 11 now, so I can make it.
Yes, if you walk there now, you will be on time.
Good. I also want to see the penguins later.
The penguin house is on the other side of the zoo.
Should I go there after the elephants?
That would be a good route. Elephants first, then giraffes, then penguins.
That sounds easy to follow.
There is also a cafe near the penguin house.
Perfect. I can rest there.
Do you need information about tickets for the train ride?
There is a train ride.
Yes, a small zoo train goes around the park every 30 minutes.
That sounds fun. Where does it start?
Near the main gift shop, here on the map.
Thank you. This map is very helpful.
You're welcome. There are water fountains near the lake and near the cafe.
Good to know. I brought a small bottle with me.
You can refill it there.
Perfect. That will make the walk easier.
Enjoy your visit.
I will. I am starting with the elephants now.
Have a great time at the zoo.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.